Today I'm reviewing the Wavo Air. Now I got this because it was on sale for half the price, and I also use this for. I will also be using this for my work. I usually do a lot of social media content for the work I do, but also I'll be using this for YouTube. So I'm not a professional at this, but I'm going to open it up and show you what's in the box. But it should be something that's that's good enough for the average guy to just use without being too complicated. Now, some of the things about this is it's got two microphones, one receiver. It's got a few other things which it's kind of like a whole set in there. Now I'm speaking right now into my camera microphone, so I will cut the video after I kind of open the whole box up. I will cut the video after that and then kind of speak into this actual, use this to speak into, and then we'll see the difference. So this is what is in here. It's got the two transmitters with built-in microphone, one receiver, one TRS camera cable, one TRRS smartphone cable. It's got USB to USB-A, two lavalier microphones, one magnetic pendant and support, one cold shoe support, 2 times clip-on support, one Gorilla Pod leg clip, 2 times windshield for TX, and I'll just show you. I'll just do a close-up of this too, so what you can see. Okay, so that's what's in the box. Already you can probably freeze frame it and kind of see, so let's go ahead and open it now. So usually they're about $400. This is in Australia, but I paid about 174 on sale. So let's just see what's in here. Magnet. Okay, so obviously we've got the microphone. So there's the microphone. There's where the clips go in if you're going to hang it or clip it on your shirt. Your gain control, and I think that's the indicators where that it lights up. I believe that's the receiver. So receiver, you've got that. You've got your clip. The clip would most likely there you go. So it feels pretty strong and solid. Looks like the plastic material is very solid and firm. That's a magnetic. You can see the magnet. I wonder what this is. A pin. Sorry for putting it out of the view. There's a pin. I don't know what this pin is for, we'll find out. Inside is the dead cat, as some people call it, that muffles the sound, the wind noise. Oh. There's another clip. I wonder how the clip got down there. It's a sealed box, and in here is all your wiring. So that is for if you wanna, you can hang this on your shirt, and you can have the microphone. Or you can put this in your pocket. Actually, you can put this in your pocket, and then you can add this 3.5mm jack into that, and then clip this onto your shirt. Can you see? And then you can clip this microphone onto your shirt. There you go. And then you can clip that microphone onto your shirt. So that's that. Another microphone. Jack 3.5mm, 3.5. I'm not sure what. There's another one there. I'm not sure what's that gonna do. Charging cable. Charging cable again. Charging cable again. And a magnetic lanyard to kind of, hang it. So they've given you all the accessories. So what I like about this, you don't have to buy any accessories after actually buying the microphone and receiver, because it's kind of got every accessory that you need. No wonder it's like the retail price is $400 or probably $200 in the US or something, but it's always more expensive here in Australia anyway. Okay, now I'll cut this video off here, and I will put this microphone on and I'll use it, and then we'll see the sound difference in the video. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, now thanks for joining back. What I figured out was that while I was both these wireless microphones came out the packet that needed recharging, so I had to recharge it for at least half an hour before I could make this video again, and the batteries were pretty much dead. So one's recharging now, and I'm just using this one on probably half recharged, but the other issue was I had to read through the manual and figure out how to connect it to my camera. I've got the ZV-E10, the Sony ZV-E10 camera, so I had to figure out where to slot it, and I kind of figured that out anyway. But I'm gonna do a walk away test where I'll walk away and I'll walk away probably about 30 meters away, and I'll still speak on this microphone, and the voice output, the audio output should be the same, versus if I would have if I would just rely on the camera's audio, then the voice would kind of fade away anyway. You wouldn't be able to hear me from 30 meters away, not unless I was shouting anyway. We'll do the test now. I'm gonna walk away now, and I'm gonna keep on speaking. So I'm walking away now. I'm probably about 5 meters away now, probably about 10 meters away, probably 15 meters away now, probably 20 meters away now, probably about 25 meters away now. I think this is the furthest I can walk. Okay, so if there's any questions, please leave it in the comments. Now, one more thing, if you like what you see in this video, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.